So, what is JSON data? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and in JavaScript, JSON is commonly used to exchange data between server and a client. So, how we have to write the JSON data in JavaScript? Here you could see we need to store the JSON data in a variable. I will go with some message. Here I want to store the JSON data like this. In a braces, we have to store the data. So over here, what I would like to do is I would like to define the name. So name over here, and here I will define the double quotes. Inside we have to mention the name, which is known as Java script JavaScript, and over here we need to define comma. In next line, what we need to do is we need to define the course, which course we are offering, and we are offering about JavaScript itself, or else I will go with the Node.js itself, and we have to add comma. And then what we need to do is we need to add something information, whatever data. Okay, topics, what I will do is I will go with topics topics. Over I will define inside the JSON data we can define some array also. So inside array I would like to define something like this, which is known as and I will defining something content known as variable comma variable, and then after that I would like to insert double quotate. Inside I will define something functions functions, and then after that I will define comma, and over here I would like to define something variable and data types types. For example, I mentioned only these topics, comma. Here what I would like to do is I would like to define INST institute address 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 colon. Okay, over we can also write something object inside the JSON data as well. There what I will do is I will define city colon. In double quotes I will mention like HYD Hyderabad, and then comma. Here I would like to define area. Area is nothing but here I would like to define KVP colony, Kokatpalli Housing Board Colony, KPHVC, something else. So here we need to convert this JSON data. Okay, we need to print this JSON data inside the console. So that's why what we have to do is we need to write consoling. So what I will do is I will print those entire data inside the variable, and that is nothing but ABC. So ABC equal to, here I will mention some method is there, which is known as JSON dot stringify is a kind of method. So here we have some spaces there. I would like to remove name known as MSG, and we need to convert that. We need to print that one console.log ABC, and now you could see just reset that one and do print, and now you could see that the value has been printed inside the console. So JSON stringify is a kind of method will convert that JSON data into string mode. So this is the syntax, and this is the way how we have to convert instead of by using mapping.